Want to earn real money just by playing games, completing simple tasks, or even watching videos? Sounds unbelievable? Stay tuned till the end, because I'll show you step by step how you can make actual cash using Earnably and show you exactly how to cash out. Click the link in the description to head straight to Earnably.com. Sign up instantly using the Sign In with Google button. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Earnably dashboard. See all these menus on the left? That's where the money-making magic happens. Tap on the Offers menu. Pick your device at the top, web, iOS, or Android. The list instantly refreshes. Now you only see tasks you can do on your device. Spot a crazy points offer? Wondering how much that's worth? 10,000 points equals $1. So yes, a 4.3 million point task is $430. Always check the instructions for bonus multipliers or milestones. Reach 100 meters in a game, 162 points. Hit 300 meters, 405 points. The further you go, the more you earn. Click Start Offer. Scan the QR code with your phone, install the game, and rack up points as you play. Switch to Explore for even more ways to earn. Here you'll find different partners, games, surveys, and tasks you won't see in the main offer section. Pick any partners, click on the task, read the instructions, and complete. Points stack up with every task. Jump over to surveys. Every survey lists exactly how many points you'll get. Choose the highest paying ones first. Complete and collect. Simple. Go to videos for easy point grabs. Just click and play, watch till the end, and claim your rewards. Open invite to find your referral link. Share it with friends and family. Every sign up earns you 10% lifetime commission. When your referral makes their first 30,000 points, you get 30,000 points instantly. Time to withdraw your earnings. Here's how to cash out. Click your profile icon. Tap Settings and connect your PayPal. Go to Redeem in the sidebar. Click Redeem next to your available balance. Money goes straight to your PayPal. That's it. No confusing steps, no hidden catches. Earnably has a Trustpilot rating of 3.8 and a verified profile. It's a genuine way to earn some extra cash. Not a way to get rich quick, but absolutely perfect for side income in your free time. So, why not give it a try right now and see how much you can earn? Hit that link in the description and let me know in the comments how much you made.